cuties, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see from the title, I'm obviously doing an unboxing of the Halloween Jeffree Star mystery boxes, and I do have all three sizes. I have the small, medium, and large. I'm not really sure how it goes. I know there's like a premium and a deluxe and whatever, a supreme. Not really sure what order it goes in. I'm not gonna look at it right now. But yeah, so we're gonna go from the smallest box to the medium box to the largest box. I will be putting timestamps down below too, just in case if you're like, oh, I already watched too many unboxings of the small and medium, I just want to look at the large, or whatever the case may be. I will put timestamps in below just in case if you only were curious about one particular box. I'll also put a timestamp of when I actually get into the unboxing, because I'm gonna ramble here for a second. So I have not been uploading on YouTube, and a lot of it has to do with my personal life. I've been going through a lot, and I sadly just lost my mother in September. And with that and everything else going on, I just really cannot find the time to do YouTube. I obviously want to do this video for you guys because I know you guys love it, and a lot of you guys requested for it once I did place the order on Jeffree Star's website to get the mystery boxes. So I know I used to at least upload once a week or try, and I just can't promise you guys that. I don't know when even the next time after this I'm gonna upload. So I just need time just to get my personal life all straightened out before I start uploading regularly again on YouTube. And the second thing I wanted to get into is, of course, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for you guys, so stay tuned all the way to the end for all of the rules. And yeah, let's just get into it now. So I have the first mini box right here. It's white, really cute. Cover all of my details, but this is the first box. This is the $40 box. Oh my god, I forgot to tell you guys too, I do know what's already in these. I'm sorry you guys, I got them all in different days and I couldn't wait because I'm impatient, so I already know what's in them. Sorry if that like upsets you. The first box looks like this. The first shade that I am pulling out is the exclusive item that you get in the box, and it is a liquid velour lipstick in Soul Sucker. So the packaging is obviously very Halloween, very cute. And Soul Sucker is a black velour liquid lipstick with glitter in it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm definitely not gonna use this, but I am keeping this for myself just because it is an exclusive item. So there is Soul Sucker swatch right there. Excuse my nail, it came off. I know it's fucking rude. And the next item I got is a velour liquid lipstick in Family Jewels. I do have this shade already, but I believe it's in like a mini shade, and I love it a lot. This color on my skin tone looks absolutely amazing. I cannot remember again if I had the smaller size or the bigger size, the full size like this. I do believe that it is a smaller size, but I love this lipstick. It is beautiful. I have the small size, not the full size. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one for you guys, the one I already own, because I'm not sure whether or not I'm going to keep the full size or give it away or what the case may be. But that is Family Jewels right there. Very, very beautiful, a wearable shade. And then the next lip product we got in here is a lip ammunition. I don't know. You guys know what I mean. Anyways, this looks like it's the color Glazed. I don't even know if you guys can see that. And of course the packaging is beautiful, and this looks like it is a greenish gold kind of lipstick, as you guys can see right there. I'm not going to go ahead and swatch this for you guys because this is something I automatically know I'm not going to wear, so I might put it in the giveaway, and obviously I'm going to keep some of these products for friends and gifts and stuff like that, so I'm not going to go ahead and swatch that. And the last item in the box is a mini Jawbreaker palette. Literally, just having this in the smaller box alone is absolutely amazing. Like, you're paying $40 for the box, and this is $28, I believe, plus you're getting 3 lipsticks and an exclusive item on top of that, which is amazing. I actually do not own this, so I'm very excited for it. And this is the mini breaker palette. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. So for $40, I feel like that was definitely worth the money because obviously I'm gonna use the eyeshadow palette. Family Jewels is one of my favorite lip colors, and I only have it in the mini size, so of course I'm gonna probably use the full size. And then you get that exclusive item on top of it. The only item I wasn't excited about was the lip ammunition. Now moving on to the second size box, the medium size. So this one is orange, really cute. First thing in the box is a t-shirt, which I literally saw when I saw this like on Twitter and stuff like that before I even received the box, I was like, oh my god, I'm so excited to get that. So this Jeffree Star shirt, by the way, I got in my last mystery box in a size extra large. I got this one in an extra large, and his t-shirts are so comfy. But anyways, this says can't relate and it has a little skeleton hand. I love this. It's so cute. And I mean, I can like fucks with orange. I really don't like this color, but like I really like how comfy the t-shirt is, and it is cute. But this is just so cute. Like, this literally makes the whole box like worth it to me. It's so freaking cute. The next item we have is a Liquid Frost liquid highlighter in Chill Zone. That's how the packaging looks. This is how the product looks inside. Very, very beautiful packaging. Definitely very Jeffree. I'm not going to go ahead and swatch this just because I don't like liquid highlighters. I just can't get the hang of them. I'm just going to go ahead and put this to the side. I just know I'm not going to wear it, but it is, I mean, it's a pretty color. It looks like kind of like a purplish or burgundy color. So, I mean, it's pretty. It's just something I know I'm not going to use. And the next item I have here is another lipstick, and it's in Snow Cone. Looks like it's like going to be a green sparkly color. This one I actually did not open when I opened up the box, so yeah, and it is. It is literally just a very mint green, very sparkly. It's cute, don't get me wrong, it's adorable, but again, I just know I'm not going to wear it, so I'm not even going to swatch it. And then we have the gloss, which I do have one Jeffree Star lip gloss so far that I bought when I went to a Morphe store. Oh, I'm sorry, this is in Sequin Glass, as you guys can see from the top. And this is the color right here. It's literally a beautiful purple color with glitter in it. Again, I'm gonna put this to the side because I just know it's something I'm not gonna wear, but it's definitely a beautiful color. I'm glad that it was like a purple and not like a green or blue or something. But I don't know, I didn't show you guys it really good, but these lip glosses are amazing, and the packaging of course is adorable. And then the mystery item in here is called the Mystery Frost. It's one of his highlighters, which are literally my favorite. I love his highlighters, and I'm not gonna lie, obviously I saw this on Twitter and I told you guys I already opened the box. So it's just a regular pink packaging. I'm kind of disappointed in that. I wish it would have been like black and orange or something like that, but you know, it's still cute. His highlighters are huge. And this is the inside. So obviously, as you guys can tell from the inside, it's not appealing. I think it's very ugly, but I'm glad that the swatch, it does kind of show a little black. Ugh. There it is right there. You can kind of see the black, which is like really off-putting, but maybe if you just swatch, like if I swatch right here, yeah, it shows more like gold. It has that little bit of black in it, but I don't know. I will play around with it, and I'll definitely go around because I like the color. I just don't like the black mix. It's just like really, really ugly to me. But as you guys can tell, it is a gold. It's very, very pretty. It definitely, I can pull it off on my skin tone too. So I love this. I'm excited about it. Like limited edition lipsticks, like that happened in his last mystery box. So like woohoo, but a highlighter, like yes. There is just a regular velour liquid lipstick in Christmas Cookie. This is again a very nice wearable nude. That's how it looks right there. This, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. I know I have the mini size of this one for sure, but I don't wear it that often because I go for more of like a brown nude than a pink nude, but this is definitely still beautiful and definitely wearable. It's just not something I wear all the time. So I'm not sure what I'm doing with this one yet. And then packaging like this, I already know what this is. This is another Jawbreaker palette. So you guys already seen that, but that's this. The thing that I'm confused about, because apparently people are getting broken highlighters in their mystery boxes, and if you guys watched my other mystery boxes, you guys would know that my very first Jeffree Star mystery box, I got the highlighter King Tut, and that did come broken. So I'm just confused on why this eyeshadow palette with powders is wrapped in bubble wrap, and this one is not. This should have been wrapped. Thankfully, mine did not come broken, but obviously it could have, which is like, you know, it's sad. I wish it, you know what I mean, he would do it for all the powdered products in his mystery boxes. At least this was bubble wrapped, I guess. And the last item in here is the mirror. So this is the mirror right here. It is orange with the black, and there has been a bit of a confusion going on. This is also an exclusive item. So this one, the medium-sized one, comes with 2 exclusive items because this is not being sold outside of the mystery box. So you can't go on his website and purchase just the orange with the black mirror. So this also is, I mean, obviously exclusive. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's not my cup of tea. I'm not really sure what I'm doing with the mirrors yet, but I'm not a huge fan of orange, and part of me wants to keep it just because it's like, oh, it's exclusive, and I just want to say I have it, but not too sure what I'm doing with this yet. Yeah, for $70 or $75, you literally get a mirror, a highlighter, a liquid highlighter, an eyeshadow palette, a t-shirt, lip gloss, and lipsticks, and it's definitely worth the money. I mean, you are getting such a bang for your buck with the mystery boxes, which is why I love them so much. I know some people don't like them because they're like, oh, you get a bunch of crap you don't like, and they're all crazy shades, but you guys have to realize buying the boxes that's who Jeffree is. Like, Jeffree's whole makeup line is crazy out there makeup. So obviously there's a chance you're gonna get something you might not like. So yeah, 8 items for $70 or $75. Like I said, I forgot. It's definitely worth it in my opinion. Even this liquid highlighter is beautiful. I might end up using it, I'm not sure, but part of me wants to get into it just because it's like, oh, I want to try it. And now we have the grand finale, the big daddy right here. So this box was $160. The first thing right on top is a tracksuit. I've always wanted his tracksuit, but I've always wanted just the bottoms and not the top because I don't know, I just don't see myself wearing it together because I feel like it's tacky. Oh, I hate this color. I mean, I saw dark blue in the mystery boxes, and I saw an orange so far, and I was really hoping that I would get the orange, and that didn't happen. So I think together, both of these it's like $100 tracksuit together, so that's crazy. They do feel very, very, very well made, though, I will admit that. And I am going to keep this just because, I mean, they are cute. They're cute to lounge around in, too. So what I plan on actually doing with it is, like, this together. Not cute, right? Tacky. In my opinion, okay? If you like it, that's, like, totally up to you. But I don't like it. So I did get the size extra large again. So I could wear this with a black top, or even this would be super cute. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm literally wearing this today. I have no pants on right now. I'm gonna put these on. Okay, so yeah, you can't really see it. I will try to show you guys, but anyways, these with a black shirt is cute. Can you all see it, my booty? Or this, very well made. It feels honestly really warm too. So this would be cute with just leggings or something like that. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't want to wear both together because I feel like I'm just like a fat highlighter, but separately with black, cute. Wow, these are comfy, but like I want to take them off because I just don't want to wear pants. So then again, you get another Jawbreaker palette. I'm not going to open this because this is going to be going to one of you guys. So spoiler alert, I'm going to be putting more items into the giveaway. We're getting to that later, but yes, you guys will have a chance to win one of the mini breaker palettes. I'm like holding this with my elbow because I'm sick of bending down to get things out of it. But anyways, there is a Supreme Frost in a Caramel Kiss. This I am excited about. I definitely am keeping this because the color is beautiful. I love it. And that's the swatch right there. So I've noticed a difference between his regular highlighters and the Supreme Frost. The Supreme Frost have a little bit more of a grainier feel to it, and it's because it's more of a glitter than his other ones. Do you get what I mean? But anyway, super excited about this. And then you get a metal Jeffree Star straw, and it's orange, and this one actually comes with a cleaner. The other one did not come with a cleaner, which is like stupid, it should have, but anyways, this one does. Then there's a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour lip scrub, and this is in cucumber mint. That's the packaging right there. I don't like the smell of this, to be honest. I'm not going to use this just because I already have a lip scrub from the last mystery box, and I haven't even made a dent in it because there's literally so much product in this, which is another reason why I really, really like his makeup, because you really get a bang for your buck. They're going to like last forever. But yeah, got that. And then the exclusive item in here, we have a Zombie Kiss Velour liquid lipstick. And I just said the name, but it's Zombie Kiss. This I'm keeping for myself just to say I have it. Never gonna wear it because, I mean, I could pull it off, but like I'm not gonna wear it. And that is a swatch right there. It definitely is really beautiful, and some people can pull this off and wear it on a daily, and like kudos to them, but I don't have enough balls to do that. And then we have a lip ammunition in Yummy. So again, this is going to be a very glittery color, as you guys can see. Again, I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not going to keep this color, but I wish it was something like a little bit more wearable. We have a Venus Flytrap, which is like a lime poopy green. Yeah, definitely not swatching that. Definitely not gonna wear it. Sorry guys, I'm trying to like get this video like going. And then we have a lip liner in Dirty Money. Those lip liners, again, beautiful, beautiful packaging, and it shows the color at the end. I'm not gonna swatch this just because I know I'm not gonna wear it, but I mean, it's cute if you can pull it off and everything. I'm pretty sure all of his makeup is multi-use, by the way. So some of this I might honestly keep just to use it on different places. Like this would be a beautiful eyeliner, like for your waterline. And it could be cool for like Halloween makeup. Like, you know how some people will use pencils to like sketch out whatever it is that they're doing. So some of this I honestly might keep just for that purpose because I do want to start getting into that a little bit more. And then you guys, when I literally saw this in the box, I was shook. You literally get the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mini Velour Liquid Lipstick Vault. I do have the two nudes. There's two right there, but I do not have this one yet. And it is beautiful. I love keeping the packaging, and then it comes with literally 8 liquid lipsticks. Some of these I already have, but that's okay. I love this. I was shook when I saw it, and yeah, that's just like literally like amazing. This, my hair got caught in it. This alone retails for like 50 or 60 bucks, I believe. And then you also get a Jeffree Star Cosmetics vinyl, whatever it's called. Isn't that what it's called? And it's in shape of a star. It's really, really pretty, but this is just something I know I'm not going to use because I don't even have like a record player to play it on. And on top of that, I don't really like stars, like the actual like star logo, so I don't feel the need to like hang it up in my room for like display purposes either. So yeah. Last thing in the box is the mirror. So yeah, I'm not going to show you guys again, but you do get the mirror, which is obviously another exclusive item. That's it. That's all that we have for the mystery unboxing. So let me know down below, do you guys think it was worth the money? Do you guys think that it was a complete flop? I feel like this was one of his best mystery boxes, like literally ever. I feel like these are amazing. I feel like each tier, it was definitely worth the money. It was worth the $40, it was worth the $70 or $75, and then it was definitely worth $160 in my opinion. I mean, like, it's just, I also like the thrill, though, of getting, like, stuff that I don't know, like, ordering mystery boxes and stuff like that. So that alone, like, it was just really exciting for me. And his makeup is literally just on another level. If you guys have not tried it before, you guys really should. It is absolutely amazing. Yeah, let's get into the giveaway. Okay, guys, so for the giveaway, I'm going to be giving away 3 items. I'm going to be giving away the Jeffree Star vinyl, obviously the, what is that called? The eyeshadow palette, and the straw with the cleaner. So if you guys want to have a chance to win this, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Obviously, this giveaway is only for my subscribers. You have to give this video a big thumbs up. You have to follow me over on my Instagram at Shelby Reyes MUA. Follow me on my Twitter at ShelbyCat, and share this video. So that's the only thing you have to do. Oh wait, one more thing, I'm sorry. And then you have to comment down below too. Comment anything you want. Just say like, oh my god, I love these items, or what the fuck ever, I don't know. Anyways, comment anything down below. So yeah, that's all you have to do is like the video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, share the video, and follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. Everything and the rules, again, will be posted down below in the description box. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, like, give this video a huge thumbs up, whether you're going to enter the giveaway or not. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.